All right, what's up, everybody? Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. Block height 878240. And transaction fees sitting around 5 sats per VByte. Low priority, medium priority, and high priority. USD, Bitcoin price 98,464. Jumping around a little bit. We're up to 102, 101, 102 yesterday. Coming down here. I hope it goes lower. You know, I'm predicting that it goes a little lower in my mind, hopefully. Hopefully it goes a little lower, get a little bit of it, you know? I saw it hit like 91, 92. That was my moment. Should have jumped on that. But now I'll probably take, I don't know. I might even take 98. We'll see. Anyway, is cheap. When you're trading unlimited US dollars for scarce energy money that is Bitcoin, it's a good deal. All right, let's take a look at the Spaces protocol here today. We're at block 878240. We got some Spaces in auction. Imagine can be claimed. 13 bids. 80,000 sats. Fire's coming up in the next block. 310,000 sats on fire. Are we on fire? I don't know. I like that one. We got some Puni Code 2 hours. Lava 10 hours. Run Spark 10 hours. Unconfirmed Spaces action. We got Silk. Someone bidding on Silk. 30,000 sats. Silk's not too bad. And recent Spaces actions. Hey, it's been hot this morning. It has been active in this Bitcoin Spaces protocol this morning. NFL getting a bid for 50,000 sats. Raw getting a bid for 75,000 sats. Gaming, a hot one. Gaming has been a hot one. 600,000 sats it's up to now. Is gaming a good top-level domain? I think so. These top-level domains, look, these are not just domains where you get a .com or whatever it is, gaming.com. This is a top-level domain, so it's the second name, .gaming. And in this case, the syntax for Bitcoin Space is going to be @gaming. So you have all the characters before that. You could sell them, you could lease them, you could sell the whole top level domain. I put out a Nostr post the other day. I think it was yesterday. I put it out on YouTube too, where like these .co's sold for like 100 million. These top level domains. .io sold for 70 million. This is ridiculous. And look, it's cuckbucks, fiat cuckbucks. They are unlimited in amount. So when we're talking about stuff like that, it's just going to go crazy. Now, this is still unknown, right? It's risky. We don't know if this protocol is going to work. We don't know if this protocol is a scam. We don't know if it's bugged. We don't know what. So I'm trying to figure it out. That's one of the reasons why I'm like, hey, I got to make videos on this. Maybe get some interest in here. Get some people some more eyes on it. Some people to look at it. Dig into the code a little bit. It's all like cypherpunk, freedom-esque. That's what got me into it. I'm like, yes, I like that. So that's what drew my attention. I'm like, yes, dude's saying all the right things here. I want to be involved in this. Let me dig around. Let me look into it. And here I am. I'm looking into it. I'm messing around with it. Putting the word out there. Hey, is it good? Let's find out. Other bids we got. Ask. That's also a good one. 1.2 million Satoshis for Ask. Ask is going crazy here. ASK. It's pretty good. Reminds me of Ask Jeeves. So people probably want that top level domain @Ask. 1.2 million. And we had some transfers too. Join. Someone just locked up Join. So they have the top level domain Join now. Pure bid. 200,000 Satoshis. Bid 75,000. Pulse 75,000. And Jesus transfer locked up. It was busy this morning. I was taking a look at it before I started this stream up. And yeah, it's been busy, man. So Hello's getting bid on 1.2 million. Wonder if it's the same person here. Same block 239. Same bid, 1.2 million. Hello and Ass both seem pretty good. Vista, another one that was just transferred, locked up. Dark Charm also locked up. We got Wiki, Magic, Gov, Dev, Pure. There's some good ones out there. Let's take a look at the upcoming auctions that should be rolling out in about 2 hours, 50 minutes. We got some Puni codes here. I need to look that up too. How do you pronounce that? Puni or Puny or something else? Puny. And then we got numbers, dude. Somebody's just putting out these numbers. 79, 81, 82, 83, 84. So there it is. The Bitcoin Spaces protocol update for the day. If you're curious, hop in. They're coming out with a GUI wallet, I believe, this month in January is the plan. You can get in the Telegram group and find out more. That's going to be huge for this adoption here because right now it's command line code based. You got to type in these codes. It's not the hardest thing in the world, but having a GUI wallet, like you go over here to like Magic Eden, like, dude, this is what I'm saying too, right? You got Magic Eden, right? You just click connect wallet and then you connect your wallet. And they're also coming out with a Bitcoin Spaces protocol marketplace where you can just bid. Hopefully it's something like this Magic Eden here. We got all these. Look at this. This is like the kid playground over here. You know, you got all cats, right? People were spending 33 million Satoshis, 0.33 Bitcoin on a cat. So $33,000 at current cuck buck fiat USD prices. Come on now. What are y'all doing? They're spending 33 million Satoshis on a cat, a picture of a cat, right? This is nonsense here. Sure, it's kind of cool. It's fun. You could do whatever, but it's not serious. Like, look at this. Unsanctioned wisdom. This is not serious, but it's leading the way and showing us what can be done, you know? It's people that we need that as humans. Like you say, like the 6 minute mile or whatever the mile number was, where no one could beat it. They thought it was impossible. Then once one dude broke the 6 minute mile, then everybody, there's been a ton of people that did it. You know, there's double champ in UFC. There's all these things. Records are meant to be broken. And that's kind of how we are as humans, where once one thing is done, it makes the following thing easier. Like we build on, you know, there's a popular saying, standing on the shoulders of giants, right? So that's what we do as humans. Once one thing is done, we build on it and we take it and we take it and we take it, we learn and we go and we build. So I say these things are like Pogs, you know, if you remember Pogs, they were cool and everything, but they're not really worth anything, you know? So these things are cool. They're kind of all right. These runes, you know, these duty coins. They're just cool for like a history lesson to let you know what happened on Bitcoin, but they're not really worth anything. And you might say, oh, they're not cool because they clog up the mempool, they clog up the Bitcoin blockchain. You know, fix the filters. People want to do that. Well, what? It's a transaction. You know, I mean, you go back and forth on it. People can argue it. You know, it doesn't matter. Like Satoshi put in a message in op return. Did he not? I mean, that's what, from my understanding, Chancellor on the brink, a second bailout from banks or something like the Genesis block. Wasn't that an op return? Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But you got people that don't even like that. Like there was an interviewer, Knut Swanholm. He's like, I don't even like that Satoshi did that. So you got like these purist type guys, but that's what it's used for. That it's used for. Bitcoin can be used to send encrypted messages, right? As long as it follows all the protocol rules and it doesn't break any rules, then it's a legit transaction. And this one here, this Spaces protocol, you know, the dude, Mike Carson, he doesn't want to mess Bitcoin up. You know, he wants it to be lightweight on Bitcoin, low resources, not using a lot, bogging down the network and things like that. So I want people to look into it. I want people to look into this protocol and say, it sucks and here's why, or wow, this could be big and here's why. So that's why we're out here. That's what we're doing. I really think that this Spaces protocol has a chance to be something great. Domain names on Bitcoin, naming on Bitcoin, not just domain names. We got usernames, we got wallet addresses, right? You see all the websites we go to now are human readable names. Yahoo.com, Google.com, whatever. We're not typing in numbers. We're not typing in the IP address, right? We came out with a DNS solution for that. Well, DNS is centralized, right? We're looking for something decentralized to go along with the ethos of Bitcoin. And the Spaces protocol could be it. All right, it's going to be it for this one. Talk to you tomorrow. Later.